Good morning, kids. How are you all? This side Sakshi ma'am. Again, welcome back in your English class. So, in our last session, we have discussed about the story of Vasu and Prabhu, the identical twins brother. Yes, I hope you have read the story. So today, we are going to discuss about two new topics of this chapter. So, let's start our day. Today we are going to discuss about sounds of Y and one and many. These two topics we will discuss today. So let's start with first topic. The first topic is sounds of Y. Can you see here are few pictures and the starting word starting letter is Y in all the words. You can see here. Okay, so what is the sound of Y? The sound of Y is Y. Yes, so this is U. Yok, yellow, yak, yarn. So this is the starting sound of Y. But what is this? A, E, I, O, U. What is this? These are vowels. But among with these vowels, why I have written Y over here? I have written Y over here because this is the letter that sometimes makes the sound of E and I. Yes, the Y letter makes the sound of E and I. How? Like, look. Ending sound of Y. Did you know that at the end of a word, Y can steal the sounds of I and E? Yes, when we use letter Y at the end of a word, it can steal the sound of I and E. For example, that's why they were looking forward to crispy dosas. You can see in these two words, the letter Y I have colored. Yes. Can you hear Y say I and E? How? Y can make the I sound like Y and Y can make the E sound like crispy. So, the ending sound of Y is E and I. Yes? Now, we will do one activity. You can see here are few words in which ending letter is Y. Yes, and here Y says I and Y says E. Now we will choose these words whether Y says I or they belongs to Y says E. So let's start. First we will discuss about try. This is try. So the ending sound of try, I. Yes. The next word is many. The ending sound of Y, many, E. Yes. The next is shy. The ending sound is I. The next is happy. The ending sound is E. Next is cry. So ending sound is cry. Next is hungry. Hungry. So again the ending sound is E. Next is funny. E. Next is sky. Again I. Next is Y. So Y. Y again. I. Next is fly. Next is sorry. Again E. And next is party. Again E. So this was the concept of Y says I and Y says E. Now our next concept is one and many. As you can see in this picture, this is one pencil. Here are many pencils. This is one mango. here are many mangoes, or you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 mangoes. This is one book. Here are 2 books. So this one is singular and these many are plural. Yes, so now we will discuss about this one and many. For most words, we add s at the end. One book. For many, we will use s, many books. One car, many cars. One girl, many girls. One pen, many pens. One shoe, many shoes. One bottle, many bottles. One tree, many trees. And next, but there are few words that end in s, double s, sh, ch, x or o. We use es at the end, where the word that end in s, ss, sh, ch, x or o. How? Like this. X, one box. To make it many, we will use es, many boxes. One bench, many benches. One potato, you can see o at the end, many potatoes. One peach, you can see ch at the end, we will add es, many peaches. One church, many churches. One glass, many glasses. One dress, many dresses. And when you see a, e, I, o or u, when you see these vowels before y, add s to make many. When you see these vowels before y, add s to make many. Otherwise, change the y to ies. How? Look. One cherry. So, before y, here is vowel? No, it's a consonant. So, we will change the y to ies. One cherry, many cherries. One lady, many ladies. One city, many cities. One boy. Here you can see before y, here is a vowel. So, for vowel, what we will do? We will simply add s to make many boys. One hanky, many hankies. One key, again before y, here is a vowel. So, we will simply add s, many keys. So, that's all for today's session. Today we have discussed about sounds of y and one and many. I hope these two concepts are clear to you. If you need any help, you can again watch this video and I'm going to provide you an assignment. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye. Have a nice day.